Welcome. For NodePort services, come to the Killercoda and type Neolab. You will find few of our labs. So I'm going to upgrade it. So here you are seeing scenarios. Already three scenarios are there. Now NodePort scenario is also added. So here all things are there. So you can get the YAML file from here and apply that file, copy paste that file and do the things. But here you will not able to taste this because Killercoda won't support. Killercoda restrict external access. So you won't able to call this NodePort IP with these things. Rest of the things you can do. If you are trying in some other environment, then copy this file, or some in other environment you are happy to try. So thank you so much for your love and support.